Hello friends, welcome back. It's Angela with To Restore You, and I thought I would do a very quick haul from a recent Amazon order, and I was surprisingly pleased with what I got. So it started with these lovely little lobster claws, and they came with the D-rings and then these side buckles, and I really just wanted these, but I thought, you know, this seems like a nice little pack to buy. It was like $13 and there's 56 different pieces, so I'm excited to use these for maybe some little danglies on my journals, some closures, and I also am going to be using these to make little pockets with some ribbon I have for some lip balm that Demi and I have been making that we're going to use at our farmer's market at our event venue that we have this summer. So that should be fun. So those were a fabulous find. Everything that I have, I did post on our To Restore You Essentials on our Amazon store, and the link is in the description. And then these were fabulous. They're really heavy. They came with 2 extra little paper clips with dollar signs on them. But they're actually budget envelopes, which I probably need to use outside of journaling and probably make a junk journal budget and put my money in there and see how much I spend each month. Or not. Maybe not. But they're great. I can't remember the actual size. There were 24 of them in a pack, and I think they were like maybe $12. So a little bit more expensive than I would have liked to have spent, but they've got fabulous colors and 2 free paper clips. A really nice variety of colors, so we're going to try those out on a project soon. And then these were a really nice surprise. I ordered, these are just policy envelopes, but they're more like key envelopes, and they're only 2.5 by 3.5, and they're so tiny and so cute and so adorable. I love them. So I can't wait to use those. I have some that are regular envelopes about the same size, but these policy ones are cute. And then this was, first of all, I don't normally use rubber stamps whatsoever. So I was very reluctant to get these, but I saw them specifically. I was searching for stamps with mushrooms on them because, I don't know, I just love them, and I have a lot of ephemera, some botanicals, and so I saw these, and they came with 8 in a set, and I did try every one of them out so I could see how they would work, and I was very, very pleased. Let me show you. So this is, I did one of each stamp, and they actually have an incredible amount of detail, and they're beautiful. So they'll be great to do all over on top of a page or below a page. So I can't wait to use those. So that was my last find, but it comes with, so this one is probably going to be the most interesting of all of the finds. So I'll tell you, it comes with the mushrooms, and then there are butterflies and some florals, and then some cute airmail postage on there. I did try this one just on a section to see if I could just do a section of the stamp without impeding on all of the other stuff, because everything is pretty close together, as you can see. And it worked fine, so that was great. And then some sunflowers. We have some more wildflowers. It looks like a little saying. Cute. Some tulips. And more postage stamps. Some ferns. Those are really cute. And these are by Forest Whispers. And the last one is a lot of stamps and some specimen notes, and then some flowers, which I don't know what they are, but they're very cute. And those are, like I said, everything that you see here, I have put on our Amazon store. And as you guys know, we have an affiliate, so I may make a penny or two. But most importantly, is for your convenience so that you can just click on that link and go find what you want and not have to mess around. So I hope that was helpful. I will be back and show you some projects that I will do with each of these. So I hope that you tune in soon. If you haven't subscribed, please do so below so that you get notifications. Click that notification bell. And of course, we would love to see you on our VIP page on Facebook, To Restore You VIP group. And until next time, my friends, be well, cheers, and have a great day.